Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the problem to avoid unnecessary fixes or replacements. Check smart data for reallocated sectors and media where percentage right away. Run a sequential and 4K random benchmark to measure real-world throughput and latency. Note peak speeds versus expected manufacturer specifications for your model. Confirm the physical interface type as SATA or NVMe, and verify the host uses the correct OSI or NVMe driver. Inspect the SATA cable or M2 seating for loose connections and dust buildup. Apply essential fixes that commonly restore SSD performance quickly and safely. Enable trim in your operating system and verify the drive receives trim commands regularly. Update the SSD firmware using the manufacturer utility to fix known performance issues. Install the correct NVMe or chipset driver from the motherboard vendor for best throughput. Over-provision the drive by roughly 10% to preserve SLC cache and consistent write performance. When you can backup data, perform a secure erase to reset NAND state and clear fragmentation. Follow maintenance and advanced tips to keep SSDs fast and reliable over time. Avoid filling the drive beyond 80% capacity to preserve SLC cache and write performance. Monitor NVMe temperatures and prevent thermal throttling by adding a heatsink or improving case airflow when temps exceed 70 degrees C. Disable aggressive background tasks like indexing, antivirus scans, or third-party defragmenters during heavy workloads. Schedule trim and firmware checks monthly and run a benchmark after each major system change. Keep regular backups before any destructive maintenance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.